Never sleep, never tired with Anil BHMS. Let's now today discuss on kidney stone with urinary tract infections. Stone in ureters with urinary tract are very painful conditions. Stone is collex regions of kidney are less painful than stone appears in urinary tract are very painful. Pains go to kidney through ureters and urinary tract with urethra is lumbar-like pain. Pain is the back with downwards. Let's now predisposing factor for kidney stone. Environmental and dietary cause, acquired cause, congenital and inherited cause. Low urine volumes, diet high proteins. Hypercalcemias with cystinuria. What is the compositions of renal stones? Calcium oxalate 60%, calcium phosphate 15%, uric acid 10% and magnesium phosphate 50%. Let's know what is the symptoms. Two types of stone, passing stone and attached stone. Now what is the passing stone? Back pain and difficulty passing the urine. In attached stones, silence and colic pain. What is the another symptoms of renal calculi or renal stones? Increased incidence in male over age 40. Nausea and vomiting. Pain radiates in flank area. Hematuria, sharp sudden severe pain. May be intermittent depending on stone movements. Severe pain. Pain increase patient is backward and another of the forwards. Frequent urinations, blood in urine. Burning sensation, fever with nausea and vomiting. Let's now what is the urinary tract infections. Discuss on symptoms. Frequent urination but very little urine may come out. Painful burning sensation before, during and after urinating. Urgent need to urinate and serious cases unable to control bladder and legs urine. Smelling of urine. Discuss on details. Burning sensation, a strong urge, frequent urinations, bloody urines, caudy urines. Strong smelling urine, pelvic pain, rectal pain, back pain, fever. It is the one type of infection, increase the leukocyte are also fever in patients with severe pain. More details. Strong urine odors, burning with urination, strong urge to urinate, cannot urinate very much. Blood in urines, suprapubic regions pain, people with diabetic high and low sugars, caudy of pinky urine. Let's now what is the congenital abnormality in urinary tract. You see on a screen. Subscribe now and share my channels Anil BHMS. What is the investigation of urinary tract infection? All patients, infant children and another with fevers or complication infections. Blood cultures, urine cultures, full of blood counts, urea, electrolytes, creatinine, renal tract ultrasound or CT MRI. What is the risk factor? Bladder outflow obstruction, anatomical abnormality, neurological problems, pharyngeal body, loss of host defense, benign prostate enlargement, prostate cancers, urethral structures, vascular-urinary reflux, bladder fistula, multiple sclerosis, spina bifida, diabetes mellitus, pregnancy complication, urinary tract infection. Upper tract infection, lower tract infection. In upper tract infection, including kidney infections, pyelonephritis. Lower tract infections, including bladder infection. Now, what is the treatment of urinary tract infection? Trimethoprim sulfamethoxazole, nitrofurantoin, phosphomycins, B. Lactamans. Fluoroquinolones. Are all the antibiotics tablets will be appears in a market. One type of serum, bisodium hydrogen citrate serum. 1 to 2 drops in 5 ml of water should be prescribed in patient. Thank you for watching.